Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I want to solve this viral equation. Solution: we have 27 raised to power x plus 3x equals 4. 27 can also be written as 3 raised to power 3. Then we write our x plus 3x equals to 4. 3 raised to power 3 is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Okay. Now, from there, we can multiply the powers. We have 3. 3 times x will give us 3x plus 3x equals to 4. Okay, so the next thing we do is to split this 4 such that one of the numbers will be a multiple of 3. Okay, we have the base of this exponential expression to be 3, and then we want to split this 4 such that one of the numbers must be multiple of 3. And the best we can have is 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Then you know that 2 plus 2 can also give us 4. But then 2 and 2 are not multiple of 3. So we choose 3 plus 1. All right, so we have 3 raised to power 3x plus 3x equals to 3 plus 1. Okay, so from there we can compare both sides. Let's compare both sides. Compare both sides. Okay, so when you are comparing both sides, what it means is this. It means that the first number we have here is equivalent to this. It means the first number we have here is equivalent to this, while this is equivalent to this. All right, so we can say 3 raised to power 3x is equals to 3. And also 3x is equals to 1. Okay, from here we can say 3 is same thing as 3 raised to power 1. So we have 3 raised to power 3 equals to 3 is 3 raised to power 1. Then we can do what? We can equate the powers. Equate the powers. And that gives 3x equals to 1. Okay, 3x equals to 1 is also what we have in this place. Then we can go ahead to find x. X now equals to 1 over 3. If you solve these two, 3x equals to 1, discover that our x also will be 1 over 3. So x is 1 over 3 here, and it is also 1 over 3 here. So it means the value of x is 1 over 3. Now let's solve this. Let's try this. Let's solve 4 raised to power x plus 2x equals to 6. Okay, now let's solve this and drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you next time.